Hello, how are you doing today? I wanted to talk about a new project that just launched on the Avalanche network. It's called Nebula Nodes, and so it is on the Avalanche blockchain. It's a stealth launch that just happened. If you go to their Twitter, you can see it was 10 hours ago. For what's interesting, also, you can go to their Discord to get more information and hear about their announcements. Their initial liquidity was 10,000 of AVAX for 10,000 of Nebula node tokens. The initial price launch was $1, and you need 10 tokens. The price has gone up. It's like $40 now. So I just found out about this project, but if you still want to get into it, the first week they're going to be offering 14% APR, and I believe it's APR, yes. And no, we are going to reduce this rate after a week to bring more stability to Nebula. Sustainability is one of our most important concerns. So this is just for the first week, the 14%, and then it's going to be reduced. Star nodes did something similar to this. For more tokenomics, for more information about our tokenomics and everything else, you can check our docs. So you can go here, click on docs, and find out more. And if you want to go to their roadmap, you can do that and see everything they're going to do. Right now, they just deployed the contract, recruitment of mods, reveal of website, multi-sig, get on Coin Market Cap and CoinGecko, marketing campaign on social medias, initial node investments as an operating validator on Avalanche. So that's what's happening right now. And also just wanted to go over here to their Twitter, and you can see earn passive income with Nebula nodes, NAS protocol on Avalanche, on AVAX. And Nebula has launched successfully, already 700 nodes created. This is their contract address. If you cannot find it on their website, you can copy it here and then go to Trader Joe's and put it in there under exchange. Here they are at Dex Screener, and we can see now this price may go down because what's going to happen is as people get these rewards, they might want to sell because, it's a high, see, it's $44, so you're getting 14% on that. So as they get the rewards, they might be selling and this price might go down, and then it might be a good chance to get in there after that. So 40 times 10 is about $400 to get in there. So yeah, but they're offering a high percentage. So if that's something you're interested in, you can see a lot of people are selling. So they made some money and now they're selling. So that's going to drive the price down. You can see it went all the way up to $56 here, $51, and now you see a lot of selling going on here. So it's driving the price down. And yeah, but that's a cool new project that if you want to get into, that they're paying out a high percentage at first and then they might reduce it. I don't know how much, but if you're interested in that, check it out and do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. And if you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.